Hi everyone, and welcome to this restoration video of an Anton Wingen 1970s Canadian trapper. So it's a very old knife. It was given to me, and restoring a knife like this is really easy. You pop off the handle, you resand it, you resharpen it, because the blade is already heat treated. So while I was filming this process, I figured out that it's not really an interesting process to watch to. What makes this knife really special is what it's been through and the people that have owned it. So this knife actually belonged to my grandfather, who died before I was even born. And he was an interesting person. He was a shipbuilder, he built his own sailing yacht, and he sailed a lot. And he died at a very young age of cancer. And then the knife got passed on to my uncle, who was also a good sailor, and he sailed a lot in his life. And he also died a couple of years ago, also at a very young age of cancer. And now, when they were clearing up his shed or his workspace, they found this knife, and it was a wreck. It was rusted and the handles were falling off, and they asked me to restore it, which I did. And what makes this knife special is not the blade steel or the shape or the build here. Sure, it's an old knife, but there are a lot of them out there. What makes this knife special to me personally is the connection with the people that owned it and what it's been through. And that's for me a much more interesting story to tell than just having a plain restoration video, which you have many of them on YouTube. So this now actually goes to my nephew. It will be the third generation who owns this knife, and I wish them the best of luck with it.